Grumpy Kid, I saw you made that choice for Team Authority. And why would you do that? Huh? Team Authority is nothing but a foul-mouthed, cheating son of a guns. And all I have done though, they kept it. Lifting the Kylie is no match for my superior in action. And that's why I'm called 412, and I'll prove it one day in the ring. And I'll have you know, Grumpy Cat, I'm not amazed at your choice. Team Authority, Team Cena is gonna kick your butt. And I'll have you know, if you cheat against Team Cena, you lose automatically. And that's the bottom line, because Cole said so. And by the way, Grumpy Cat, there's something you don't know. I have one of your t-shirts. I got it back in Rochester High School, and my friends loved it. When I wore this, I thought, you look pretty cool in this shirt. And a little more that you know, when you pick Team Authority that I saw earlier today on YouTube, I am not amazed. Grumpy Cat, Team Cena, I wish I was on your side, but a little too late. I wish there was one way for me to be in the ring. But apparently I'm not strong enough yet. But I will be soon enough. In the meantime, Team Authority, I'll let John Cena kick your little butts.